Hello, Stuart Earps Auto Detail coming to you on this first day of 2021. Hope everybody had a good New Year's last night and everybody was safe. Just want to show you what we worked on the last couple of days and just finished coating it. Got this 2010 Corvette Convertible with the LS3 motor in it, automatic, and we, like I say, we ceramic coated it. And so customer brought this car to us. It's a work in progress. This thing was scratched all to pieces. Looks like someone had just took a bunch of gravel and scratched it in a rag. There's going to be a lot of work to go forward on this vehicle as he takes it back. He's going to take it back home and probably take it apart, but he wanted to get the paint correction and the ceramic coating done on it. But you will notice there are parts missing. We took out the taillights, and he's got new taillights ordered, but we cleaned in and around there, and he's gonna put some new seals, and we ceramic coated all in there too. So CROFTGATE USA processes on it. Wash and wax, we clay sponged it, and then we took our Rupes and our Oberks, done a two-stage paint correction on it. Man, this thing took some time. We tried to get out about 98% of all the scratches and stuff, and he's gonna put new headlights in too. He's got them sitting over in a box, so I've got to ceramic coat those too. But yeah, we topped this thing off with CROFTGATE Assurance 2.0 ceramic coating, giving it ultimate hydrophobic properties, ultimate gloss, UV protection, making it a whole lot easier to clean. It's gonna be slick. Water's just gonna roll off of it. Bugs just gonna fly off of it. But we done the wheels. We done the tonneau cover. You name it, we done it. Like I say, this is a work in progress car. He's slowly gonna do some stuff to it and change some things. And again, that's why you see no taillights in it. But yeah, this thing turned out awesome. So there you have it. I'm gonna call it quits for today, taking a half a day off and do some stuff around the house. So if you need anything from us, you can give us a holler at 336-468-0737. And that, my friends, is the power of CROFTGATE USA.